What's up, everyone, and welcome to a new episode, First Time Recycling. Got myself, Hero, here.
Got Alvin.
Got Alvin.
Your superstars of the show.
And today we have the Project NRS3 restart, and we left off with, whoa, what's going on?
Tripping, I know.
We left off with changing over to disc brakes, and now we are moving on to...
Yes, throttles. So, obviously, you guys know, I don't want to say obviously because you guys probably don't know, but a Bafang has a throttle here so you can actually throttle so you don't have to pedal. Now, keep in mind...
Bless you!
All right.
It's okay.
Now, keep in mind, most states don't allow you to use throttles on trails. That's something that's like a big no-no, but overall, it's what it is. So
it actually helps. I love the throttle.
Yeah, we don't use it full force now.
Yeah,
we still pedal. We put in our time. You know, it's just one of those things. But I wanted more of a, I don't want to say a motorcycle feel, but kind of like a motorcycle feel, right?
Yeah, it's like a motorcycle feel.
So you can actually sit there and pull. So it has new grips. Twist, yeah, twist style. So you can just sit there and just twist versus my thumb. And the thumb wasn't bad, but I just felt like I would bump it at random times, so I figured a twist might be better for me. And also, it's a right-handed twist versus a left-handed throttle.
Left thumb throttle, yeah.
So...
I do find the left thumb throttle a little weird for me. I'm used to the left thumb spot being a dropper seat post, but now I have my dropper on the right. So I will consider switching to a right thumb throttle eventually, or I don't know. We'll see how the twist throttle feels.
Yeah, because I'm like I said, I'm really excited, guys. This is me. I'm gonna feel like. But
right, so we're just gonna get to taking off the grips and swapping for these. Let's see how it feels.
Let's do it. All right, so guys, Hero's just using the Allen to remove the old grip here, just because it's tightened with two Allens. You can see one there and one there that he just loosened, so we'll be able to slide it off so he can slide on the new ones. So that's gonna be super awesome. You guys are probably wondering, you're hearing little dude in the background. So he's just like all...
Baby AJ.
Yeah, he's just all...
learning some words and
he's
talking.
Trying to talk at the same time. And then he's also going to use the Allen for the throttle here. And we're going to remove this cable here just so it's already off. It's on there. And there you go.
Left grip.
It's the full size.
This is a Bafang. This is Bafang, right? This is from Bafang, but we bought it off of
off of Amazon,
yeah. It feels a little
cheesy.
Cheap, but yeah. I mean, it does have a little pad here, just like on Raphael's grips. So it might help. It might help for the downhill feel.
I don't know. For the motorcycle feel.
So now you can move your buttons over a little bit if you wanted to.
Let's see. Push it, see how bad it looks. Alright guys, so I know you guys probably wanted to see more of the throttle side, but we started off on the other side just because that was the easy side. Now this will be, I don't think it'll be difficult to make this changeover, just because all it is just
plug and play.
Plug and play, like you were saying. Just plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. I forget what that ad was for, but yeah.
Air freshener.
You
plug it into the...
Yeah.
Oh. You need to go single speed.
There. Just like that. What are you talking about? This guy trying to get me to go single speed for no apparent reason. There it goes. Look at that.
No, you can't shift.
That's it. Oh, there's two. Okay, so it does go up. Okay, let's see. Need to figure that out. I guess I only go in one gear. I only can go down.
Can I go this way?
Yeah, just move that way.
Nope, locked. This way. Nope, it hits.
Or maybe we move.
You gotta go single speed.
We move this. Well, this is here, so we can shift this one a little bit more this way.
Single speed. But then it's attached to the brakes. No. Okay. All right.
No, separate. All right. So with the twist here, what is this? The throttle.
Throttle.
Sorry,
Twist
jeez,
throttle.
Blinking. This would not work with my shifters there
'Cause they'll
because
hit.
it hits. So now we had to move the shifter this direction to be able to still use the shifters. So
Yep. That or he's going single speed. All right. So we're clear. Nope, not yet. Dang, that's really far. Or you have to do the throttle. Oh, now it's hitting the brake.
oh yeah, it's on the brake.
We have some problems, sir.
Yeah, let's loosen it. Just keep. I'll just move it all the way over, and I'll just have to have this shifting.
That's a little awkward. It's loose. Okay, so let's leave these loose. Let's get this on,
Yeah.
and then we'll slide everything over
Yeah.
to make everything work. Ooh.
Oh dang! No joke. That feels pretty good, guys.
That's cool.
Dun, 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 dun.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so now you can't shift, so we need to move this over, and we need to move this back.
Yeah.
Shifter.
Well, and it needs to clear that. So
So that's it.
Yeah,
That's the
that's it,
max.
yeah.
Oh, jeez. So you are literally going
2
to.
fingers. That's all I need.
Okay, that's cool.
I'll pull the brake foot because with that there, we missed.
Okay, I misses.
Full slow.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay.
All right, you got shifters. All right. You got the throttle. Now you got this cable here, and you got the Bafang harness cable there. You want to route it.
Just a long cable. Really?
Nice water sealed click.
Okay. That was easier than I thought.
The other ones have arrows. This one doesn't. Oh, it does. I see the
Yeah.
arrow. Okay, it's a triangle, not painted
it was
in
a
white.
Bafang part.
Yeah,
Dang.
but though
Yeah,
there's
look
lots
how
of
long
slack.
that is,
Yeah. So we
So
want
I
to
probably have to.
zip tie it like that, kind of make it clean. So we're just going to tidy up the cables. It's kind of lots of slack here. And measure the ends, make sure everything is even for Alvin, and then take it out on the street, go for our little test ride and see how this throttle feels. All right, woo! Throttle! Whee! Brakes are good. Brakes feel good, but your speedometer's not working. I think your speed sensor is disconnected. Oh, you know what? You don't have the little magnet thing. That's why. You don't have the magnet thing.
That should have been on there.
Your speed sensor's not working. No, it's not.
Oh,
on
that's
there.
right. We went to the
Yeah.
disc brakes. I forgot. I was like sitting there trying to adjust the thing, and then it just like I gave it a little bit, and I was just like,
Wow, it really picked up.
I know.
That's
It's good. To
I saw it. I saw it pick up. I thought you were trying to.
No.
Wow. Woo! You saw that? I don't know if the GoPro caught it, but he literally picked up the front end.
Yeah, I just it was, you know, again, I don't have my speed sensor on since we did the brakes, just because these have a flat blade here, so I need to figure out how to move these
Flat style spoke.
flat spoke, yep. And so I just need to figure that out. But yeah, it's,
Because of the way that little speed sensor magnet attaches, yeah.
So we'll figure it out.
It needs to be round, not flat. So we'll see.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Yeah, maybe I'll round the spoke. I don't know. You guys are like, no, don't do that. No, but yeah, no, it felt like I had more power. I don't know if that's true for that.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll we'll run some tests where we have the sensor on at another time and then kind
see
of
how
go
it
through
feels.
it. Yeah, just because that seems kind of interesting.
Yeah.
What I'm going to go with and say right now is this is probably the same as the throttle. There shouldn't be any difference.
Right.
But it did feel like I was like you know.
Yeah.
I was going and then I was like, I was like, oh crap.
I felt the same too.
Yeah, so that was dope. I'm actually very excited to have that.
Yeah, it feels good.
And it looks cleaner on the bike.
Mhm.
As you guys can kind of see in the footage as we're passing it, so you guys can kind of see it there. It looks amazing. It doesn't look, you don't have this big old bulky thumb thing hanging out and all that good stuff.
Yep.
So
But
super dope.
Products in the description if you're interested in this product.
Yep.
You obviously saw the issues we ran into. If you do have a rear gear mech,
derailleur,
the shifter, you might run into some issues. It's just a matter of adjusting it a little bit.
Yeah, and if you pretty much want to just get rid of it anyway, Hero actually has a video about doing that. He did that on his bike. I like the gears.
Yeah.
But
well, I kind of had no choice. My derailleur got
he broke and he didn't want to buy a whole derailleur system, so I was like, I guess.
Yeah.
But yeah, so he has a video. We'll have that in the description as well as in the cards up in the upper right-hand corner.
Yep.
And next video, guys, we're gonna be pretty much
chipping the Bafang.
A lot of people say, oh, we're hacking the Bafang, but we're just going to be reprogramming the Bafang.
Yep.
So I'm very excited. You see the little USB port, and it plugs right into the actual controller here.
Yep.
And that will be in the next video, guys. So we're super excited.
All right,
guys. We'll see you guys next time.
Smash that like.
Smash that like.
And thank you for watching.
Peace.